As y'all could see by the title of this video, I am going to be showing y'all my 6 a.m. morning routine. Let me just make this disclaimer that this is not gonna be aesthetic at all. So if that's the type of video you're looking for, this ain't the one. You would just click off because ew, I really just spent ew. Every good morning routine starts in the night. I just took a shower and washed my face and brushed my teeth, and now I am about to journal. I like to plan out what my day is gonna look like tomorrow, or at least the morning. That way when I wake up I'm not just like raw dogging it, you know? Like I actually have a plan. Good morning, besties. Today is Saturday. The current time it's like 6:15-ish. One thing about waking up early in the morning is you're not gonna feel like it all the time, you know? It's about you just getting up regardless. And I'm gonna be honest with y'all. I have never really been a morning person. Like, I would much rather sleep. But one thing that I have learned is that other people don't respect your time. They're going to be up, they're going to be doing stuff, and they're going to be finished with half of their whole day by the time that you wake up at 10:30 and you go on your phone and you go look at Snapchat and you see that somebody was up at 6 a.m. doing what you should have been doing, and now you feel bad about yourself. One thing I definitely like to avoid in the morning is going on my phone just to set my tone for the day. Even though I don't wake up at 6 every morning, I do want to. While I was just in the bathroom, I was thinking about stuff that I need to get done today that I forgot to add to my list yesterday night when I was like journaling. So that's what I'm gonna do right now, is just re-add the stuff that I was thinking about while I was brushing my teeth. Also, I'm trying out a new skincare routine right now, and my skin is raging. It's breaking out pretty bad, but I'm not embarrassed about it anymore like I used to be when I was younger. But it's just something that I can't control. It's not like I don't wash my face or like I'm dirty or something. With the product that I'm using, it's supposed to make me break out before it clears my skin. So I'm just trusting the process. For today's outfit, I'm just wearing this Nike jacket. Oh hell no, what is this? I'm just wearing this Nike jacket and these blue sweats, and I'll wear my Converse. I don't know if y'all necessarily want a cooking tutorial, but I am just going to put some oil in the pan. Also, I definitely wouldn't say like I'm the best cook. I'm also going to grab a tortilla. I'm gonna throw that on the flat top so it can warm up. That was kind of disappointing. I was hoping that it would be like whoosh.
Boy, if you don't get
y'all remember when I told y'all like I don't really cook like that? This is prime example. but it's okay because it's still about to bust down the tea on them. I'm about to be out of my creatine. I just do a half scoop of this because, you know, I'm not trying to be all cracked out at the gym at 7 in the morning. That lighting was really bad over there. I'm sorry. I used to use a frother to blend my pre-workout, but it started to get too like fuzzy. Not fuzzy, but like bubbly, you know, and it just wasn't it. That's all a thug nigga need. Trying to find my ounces with this cup, but ain't no truth in this cup. And my friend, she my therapist, I'ma talk to this cup. Today, I'm not really going to focus on like giving y'all my whole workout routine because that's not what this video is about. However, if y'all wanted a workout routine video, comment down below and I can film that. So I like to play this game at the gym where I come in and I don't make eye contact with anyone and I just see if I can go like my whole gym session without like making eye contact with anyone. Not for any specific reason, but it's just fun. This is exactly why I can't make friends at the gym, because I don't know how to control my face. Girl, why you got stank face on right now? We're going to try to hit a new PR today. I have 45 and 25 on each side. My PR right now is 45 and 2 10s on each side. I don't think it's happening today, y'all. We're gonna do one more try. Okay, besties. It is currently 9:45. Right now, I'm going to treat myself to some Starbucks because it's Saturday and I have stuff to do. I just deserve a little Starbucks, you know? Like, I made it through this week, even though I had Starbucks literally 4 days this week. It's okay. It's alright. I need to get gas. Hi. Do you take Apple Pay? No Apple Pay? What do you take? Just card? Cash?
Just card, cash, yeah.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so we are not getting gas. That's okay though, because I'm not even empty. I was just trying to, you know, be responsible and not wait until I get on E to get gas, but I guess that's okay. Look like a homeless person. So I just got done eating. I'm so full, and I also just been cleaning up around the house a little bit just to, you know, clean up around the house. Now I'm going to do some laundry.
Found you. Found you.
Hey.
Ice cream thing.
Okay.
It's nice out.
It is so nice out.
Like we can like go swimming.
So since I'm washing my hair today, I'm just gonna do a little scalp treatment really quick on my hair and just put some oil in it. I don't know if y'all watched the video where I went to go dye my hair. That was pretty much like for New Year's, so like January-ish. And right now, today's February 25th, I think. And you can see the roots. Like, you can see how much my hair has grown in just 2 months. Not even, probably just like a month. And it's because of this oil. So right now I'm gonna do a teeth whitening. They ask how I get that ooh. Now my hair is completely dry, so I'm gonna straighten it today because I usually try to stay away from heat, but I don't know, I'm feeling like I just kind of want to straighten it. Of course, I already put heat protectant in before I even blow dried it. I just sectioned my hair, but I'm using this Babyliss straightener. I got it from Ulta. It's kind of expensive. I think it was like $100 something. But I love the Babyliss brand. Like, I have their straightener and their curling iron. Like, you know when you get a straightener and it like pulls on your hair? Like, and pulls your hair out? Like, no, baby girl, it's 2023. Come on. Okay, besties, that's gonna be the end of today's video. I hope everyone enjoyed. I had so much fun. I felt so productive today, and I hope this motivates you to wake up earlier and just start your day when the sun comes up. I feel like it's just something about being up before everybody else, and then by the time somebody else wakes up, you're already done with everything you had to do today. Enough talking. I've been talking way too much in this video. Make sure you give this video a like, and if you made it this far in the video, comment your favorite breakfast food. Me personally, mine is probably waffles, but only the Eggo kind because other ones get soggy and it's just not it. It's not it, y'all. Anyways, I will see y'all in the next video. Bye.